After we've discussed cells and organelles, we are going to look at how cells specialize. So the objective of this video is to discuss cellular differentiation. We know that in the human being, for example, cells are not all the same. And this is true for all multicellular organisms. You have cells that are specialized to perform specific functions. Like, for example, nerve cells are different from muscle cells, which are different from skin cells. Cells specialize to become different types of cells, and once they do that, they are grouped together into tissues. The tissues are then grouped together into organs, and the organs are then grouped together into organ systems. This organization helps increase efficiency in multicellular organisms. We will start at the basic level, which is the level of the cells and cell specialization. Because no cell can perform all of the functions needed in the human body efficiently, cells have to specialize to each take on a certain function. Every type of specialized cell is evolved more in certain aspects and has more evolved organelles, and is less evolved in other aspects and has less evolved organelles, all in order to suit a role that it has to play. In the embryo, all cells are identical. As the embryo matures, every cell starts to take on different characteristics in order to make it more efficient at a certain function. This is the function it will perform when it is mature. In humans, all cells are produced by division, by mitotic division, in a process called mitosis from the fertilized egg. The egg is first fertilized, and then we have divisions upon divisions upon divisions to produce all of the cells found in this human being. Every time these cells divide, the genes are carried on the same way. The same genes are given to the next generation of cells. So all of the cells end up having the same genes. Then how do they become specialized and become different from each other if they carry the same genes? The answer is that yes, it is true that they all contain the same genes that are needed to develop into any cell. However, not all of these genes are switched on all of the time. Different genes are switched on and off depending on which type of specialized cell this is. This different switching of genes on and off causes the cells to have different shapes and also different numbers of organelles. Like muscle and sperm cells have more mitochondria than bone cells. White blood cells have many lysosomes, while muscle cells have few lysosomes. This is specialization. In multicellular organisms, cells have evolved to become more suited to one specialized function each. This allows them to perform this specific function very effectively. Division of labor is very efficient for multicellular organisms.